Kumasi Asante Kotoko nene omo esenka so a former team manager. Anambwa.
Yes, yeah, the name say on your many beam.
But se Kotoko appointee obi amana be omo say assistant team manager. Na say official that's your Kotoko team manager.
By the name say man on your beam.
Okay. Team manager de Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Amos Frimpong. And Asante Kotoko game amukobo against Kerala. Second round di ewo Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium ewo Tamale. Penifo ese Amos ni subo da na din ewo sa game no munti no matches makuma kudu Amos Frimpong untimi ka Asante Kotoko team no ho. Eno na nchen sika 20,000 Ghana cedis. Eno susu no Amos Frimpong Asante Kotoko enhwe na omuntua seska no fama Ghana Football Association. Anso ha goalkeeper ni din ede Mohammed Kamara ono susu omse matches makomaku enum na omode ama Kamara of omode 20,000 Ghana cedis eso ato Kamara so omunyina no omoye guilty of unsporting behavior towards the match referee sana Amos Denity saso na abrante anidin ede Mohammed Kamara awo goalkeeper edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko no so edie no etie nti we a ruling from the Disciplinary Committee of Ghana Football Association bafo maminti wadwenkyere ewo hwan
boss medasi of course per the reporter inya from sa game no Amos niamo hosem oye normal football mrano makwan se as a team manager. It's just a because we are an official for Asante Kotoko and you know able ho no mo a emrano man ho kwase wo ye enti se emrano any need I feel say eno ano no the magnitude of the punishment in so won say maybe ano punishment bi ano ye wo range if you have to do her enti say ankoye the bigger one and ankoye the lesser one I say in between ya do baby na I say o kan untimi kan kase and we are hearing say Kotoko no say on ba appeal normally no o appeal abi how tie ya na bia na ya teso kakra de amount enti there I don't think say a much of an issue. The only thing is that Amos, it doesn't look to me like with regards to sanctions no ono no ebeka no kwan bia so because sika no Kotoko ne betua efe no eba ne sa o club no mo gifi o mo ho enti Kotoko ne betua sa sika no Amos will not be working for Kotoko again enti se Kotoko pa omuntua ompeso omontua bo mo ntua efe ne be sanction omo on that ebia Amos beti me say okay ono discard break Kotoko no mo fentua na ebia and clear there then that is fine enti sisi ayi sa cost no e da ho a etwen Kotoko sanctions ne de Amos no on ma biemu na wabe serve enti se o makan en kusiaga enye hwe it's almost a meaningless yana say it's almost a useless sanction any benefit yana say any insuso bia wo Amos na mu so ana Kotoko so aka say bia ka Kotoko be yana say wo ye adwuma de ama wo mo na ya fine ya ban ni nti oni hodom ti bia Kotoko chi say o me bibi en ka Kotoko kwan bia so Kotoko has gone further or ahead to appoint a successor to Amos into clearly any so bia the both parties ni nyina Kotoko pena the only a year or say so mpesika no tua boss even minister the Kamara de naka ho
I said me no near to
say o hwe Kamara de no for instance yes Kamara so also no more ye no he deserves to be punished because also so the oye no na ensem fata say o hwe even video you cry ya na just say I say ni ono ani nuanum players so ni police for be so mu ni yi ni de ne dressing room clearly a chere say we misbehave and e ba ne sa ano a emrano ni ubedi enti but me hwe I say Kamara then say 10,000 and I saying.
You know, 20,000,
and I 5 matches.
Yeah.
5 matches each.
Almost 10 matches.
Emo then 10 matches. Okay. And Kamara there. Or that's your keep paying. At least the remaining 4 matches in the day. Obe serve. So also what waba. Okay, until you obe serve. By information we pick a answer was signed pre-contract for baby. Into no we are on one side and say no neda. Until one maybe in corner hano. No okoni baby sikano so we so and also to say almost there na kotoko ne betua. Until kotoko ne be ina the weight of the sanctions the findings no. Yeah na maybe some want some kakra. Yes, I agree. Say, say punishment. No, say one that I know be a be deterrent to clubs and any officials, any players, and say omu nibium. But boss, 20,000, 10,000, 20,000, 10,000, 20,000. Women can you 200 million.
Yeah, kaniska.
200 million. As someone here can you? He said. For whatever reason, say we players ne we officials no mo say want to be no one no mayi na say bia referee bi si wo mo ye ho hwie nye na o mo want me anyina no a we betu 20,000 say this 1 million e de ma no ye de sanctions agini nyina wo so and e kwan a e fe no fa so rep clubs no e do bi aya na obusa ho say do they really understand that difficult for the clubs to generate revenue through sponsorships or all those things, and that today people are not also patronizing the game as far as the stadiums and as the gates are concerned. And he said, yes, nipa na idea and yes, but the magnitude of the punishment, it do be now as a afedi a year nipa the party say oba ko wiam kwamunam. Now the blog baby a blog me and Saswano. Yes, well we are there say Ochinaso. But what the blog me and Saswa Korea say Ubunukum. To do a come as I say sanctions na ya kum book a crack. That's almost yes, we do maybe no. Yes, as I said, me a year, but one okay, we do maybe no. The clubs cannot just afford it. Kotoko has they will have no choice than some go pay Sikalibetia. But I'm imagining. Club if you have some crown, some baby, some and some and any players car. Now, referee, it's a sin, Kitaway, or you know, be our be now. Yes, say, Uncle Chat 20,000. On continue to the uncommon place in me, none Timbaco, players no, bars no, a say see. General Mussi. No bass, a crank through a ruby porno. Now could dinner pump him, and some of us are from about the Omako.
I hate me. Players need see form.
Say omutima
bass need to for people. And a players need see form.
And a players need see form.
And a bass need for people. And a players need for people to a bass.
Nanti di actually.
Timbe.
Na team ni eguru en mantemo. Premier League team bi ani ho.
Ehefa. O se si we.
O se bi se si we.
Omo
team bi ntebri. Awon Premier League.
Team Bennett table. Na ka se ma won nya kodunka. Team Bennett table.
This is that story be here.
Nobody what boy table there.
Me was I
no go for we
everyone does some.
We who for.
Me who for.
We who for.
Oh, ni
for some ba and not some go cause of the children.
Asam no do be ana.
Ba danger asem no kuro kotkoni media ma ball no. Mpanimfo nhwemu.
But the member also not know about why. Okay.
And na papa bi bisa me say o mu tie sika na me wo. I say na me magazo bi akotie sika.
Ti what they also just say because of a league ni sika se more form nti edu bibi sana comment so ma clubs by any way to also tell the clubs ni players say uye bibia ene mra ne nkwa ye be fan no ye sika kase nti comport ho
a way to say that but who say punishment say omo technical way bi minim so bi bebo say wo ye mane boro so a on say say atwi nipa na so but say wo ye mane boro so na afi ase enye punish eya ye double punishment and say over punishment minimum what technical with minimum but if you will back but yes as I say a trini panel so say me am consider say normal omu ye ri nya no omo atoto emra nanu masara so de agronom de nanu twitwi form nti they deserve to be punished but imagine 1 million mo de ma omo so mo family you know na waji we 20,000 waji we 20,000 say 1 million no emu 40,000 e ko no nti six kan sa na esamba no o say aya omo nyintum say eye bibi na koka bibi nti akanfo baby omu bu sese bibi akoka papa anka enye grede edu ba bia ina esa wo gitum say football ho it touches on the opiums of the people. Football touches on the opium of the people. And the football in its nature and characteristics no. So would you no matter how cool a person you are, at a certain point in time, you can go mad. Your emotions, your sentiments can erode to a point that overreacting. Especially great bad officiating, cheating. Out me so there referee aboni timu posi wo di boni ya na
boapayo
ya wo nipa ya no do ba bia na unless wo nipa sometimes no the human in you will resist the attempt to hold on to adena ekoso and you may have to explode to bring the real person in you and also the human in you out and no the banis anwa any paro baby and tiana we be say the prosecutors and all the committee members near us no I had they themselves no at a point do they put their foot into the shoes of some of these officials no so what is stadium na match na ekoso meaning nations match bi season we ya Dr. Cheko baby ni bu fu ya onu kwa kaka bi nkosi park so this is an investor obi a odun sika hye mu no ti ho na ni tua mu na ye di na ni ya small boy referee bia no bia wo invest in one seed in 2010 the way nyina ne say ya bo na say o medi referee na onye a neutral arbiter. He is supposed to be a neutral arbiter between the two combatants. So on interpreting law no at least to the best of his ability, not in favor of anybody, to be fair and firm.
It may be so with you. Clubs no so mobile game no. See mobile game no mummy no be anko ref no wa. Emma ref ni game no ni.
Boss. Yes. Referees no. And no me and son about.
But the referees ni no ba for. Yent me ni clubs in free.
Daddy, oh, me.
Omo na ma referees ni yes.
And no me and son about my referee. I am bad in a game. One, the fact that on no referee now no are poor. Two, the fact that referee no has been influenced by somebody. Somebody could be a club or a club official. Somebody could be an administrator of the game or the powers that be in the game. Somebody could be a betting syndicate. Be a more influence referee no. Eti normal betting mama referee I am bad in the game no. So I will honor and say me team A now see team utim never say utim
face
there be utim wow there
as for such
now see team referee is team the mass see me say na ko hu no say betting syndicate bi na ko hu no say there na see I can't tell I don't know team before they say referee no as I say odim na na adwuma na on fa nya adwuma and me bon so e bi so me mako hu no ama waje ade na firi mi nsam and wa sure be say obedi ni fefe kama mami me mate class yes clubs ni bi ho no mo a omuti ka che referee say wo de ye akui me be ye ko no ko funa no mo ko no say wo de mendi ma yen ba men minti ayen so
twade e course Saturday na professional referee na finfin officiate game we how
say when to say we they working the referee has been influenced by somebody. Oh, and that clubs in me na influence the referee no. That game Sunday no. The referee was influenced by somebody, an outsider. It could be a betting syndicate.
They are causing. They
David clubs in me do no. Almost so arrangement no
so. And some more.
Oh, boss. Yeah. Clubs in me no arrangement no e
club no ba coach. Omode ko to na was one kronko.
Oh, na say yet say ne bufu krama. Okay, mem so ka say yet say club no ba coach so. Ne bufu to the point say okashe o mo say sa no mbe ya season we o no ma wie.
Na mo ye boy tantan say.
Onim na Zakito ti ha. Me ye story no na manfo eso me minimum kakra bi no se me nya be ma bi no se me se no. Zaki ka asem bi. Nana if not for anything na kese second no minimum say bia wo so na ka either one as Zak okay man say one of us. I can say Mediama last 3 matches before that game. Obed on okay. Mediama last 3 matches before that game. Could the lineup of Muyusu here, including the FA Cup quarterfinals. Satam no. Now Mediama Jemua, one league matches. If you no Munia say some reserve players, I don't know. Naka Awadeno cost of league no. But Mediama wanted to win the double. At least for what we know. Or we knew, or we were told. And Yusu first level of the league, the ball all those matches, including quarterfinals, and it was against a Division 1 team. I reference a Division 1 team there. One what the balls who the second string side the crab crown I saw with Michelle Womo. For the first side in the boy. Now, after now, question Premiership side that. On what FA Cup Premier Africa da. Na so when you have some papa so would double now the second team one e bi ho no mo bench club maybe
yan to aso danger man nti Kotoko e wo 14 days say ombetua sika 40,000 Ghana cedis to the Ghana Football Association se se ya na mo se mo be ye ball no na mbugu na ye nyina de ho bagima abo ma mbugu no
aye nyina na ye ho anu wan
ne ye nsentofo ati nyina
mo de mo bagima o kwan be so
aye so be boa na so mo ti he ya mo ye mo si na da bia na ye ka foreign ye bo ye papa
the foreign na obeka
na ye say ye better than the yi bafo
e ba say jama marabe su bu fu pa o
anko so duro
Jamal I don't know
afaka anko so duro okay me ba siasia so ma me fa we nto aso enhyem na siasia wo so bra ansan ma kose Obed so Bechem United nso assistant coach Malam ya ono so the disciplinary committee of Ghana Football Association am a 3 matches ban are fining 20,000 Ghana cedis and o masa man warning na Malam ya ne boni oye ni omo say abra eye Bechem United ne Karela United share no 3 months yes 3 months ban miensa 3 months okay
3 months
3 match and no more mistake 3 matches ban
like about na 3 months am na
because 3 months how did you be determine 3 months no
3 months no
the date of time you buy
matches there dey my mama
and me sure say but if in year you know more 3 months but me sure say 3 matches na say Bechem United ne Karela United
the same Karela na Kotoko nya
Uru Malam ya
coach
ono so incite supporters no against match officials enunti efi na twena so ono so 20,000 Ghana cedis on man 14 days so on fentueska no asa abo no kokko so onim no sa dasuban bia dia eno de beba ebechen we nti ne Malam ya ene ono so beka Amos ene goalkeeper Kamara ho eje de ento aso
so mo nya ya
20,000 Ghana cedis
mungutua
na wo
some from the group
meba oh yeah na me nya call from Takwa
unya call from Takwa
yes me nya call from Takwa
okay
and it appears that could company for nhwehwe omoni media match
omojhwe media match based on call na unya no
yes and if it gets to the stage where they want evidence you must be ni panel of frame no
wa show
no be oye scared so obe open up to the management.
Obema management evidence.
So no dear
Obe mama evidence.
On the side of the story.
They will name.
Okay. On say
which a bit no cre, it was going to be no cre.
But at least a grounds for you to start something.
Today no.
I can't say investigations are. So police for investigations and yes say nipa na ohun say nipa na di bonene per se o. Omo timi kwese ade ni si 8 o'clock okay. Yen bi se around 8 o'clock no so bi betwa mu a. O wi simi hu we no mo keka bomba. Dubo se no mo naro ne ba. Nte bia samesi ohun abrante no she black. Nipa na ekodi ni bonene so nipa no so no she black. No fa hen of a feature ha ne bi so bisa kwa that is an investigate na sometimes when we are talking about matches in this country and we are telling the FSO almost start bibi na ekwa to say monfa evidence 100% mbra. I'm like no you can't get that.
Nipa no for no be so kire say
there was smoke
between there was smoke between me penipa report no the man no say there was a smoke between
say there was smoke.
Se Kotoko ne media match no.
Ana se we krom.
Kotoko ne media game bibi wom.
O se Kotoko ne media game no. Kwan a Kotoko fa so lusu ye no. Ene course bi ono wonya ye no. Mpanifo nhwehwem. Wan kan susu dua.
Kotoko mpanifo nhwehwem. Especially omo team no.
Yes, omo team na mu. Omo nhwehwe omo team na mu.
Na amanfo koye kokko asase mo.
Na enya no kre. But the point is or say omo nhwehwem. And this is somebody are ready to tell the onunim.
Kotoko chitani na.
Yes, Kotoko chitani. And then I make us say e do say I na say obi nya investigations a. E na nipa pet say fa fun ko obi bra da bi o. Bonnet misina police phone o say nanse abrante okodi bone wo. Eye bechem baby ani kwanso. Say ade ni sina police phone ho. Even in fact ebia prince and ne money ade no kra no mo ne se ne na anadwo mani so abiri o kro mo ntimi hu ni pa yes ade no ba wo de waso to fom
akohwem
wo akohwehwem nti hwehwem na betwe ne o ma aba nti ana e ka se o match bi ko so ha ene yatise na efefo ne pese tam video call bi bra na fa audio bi bra fa bra ansa ne yehu a sometimes with me approach bisa 2-3 questions the answers na no obe fom no be wie no we pia case na to
enti so we game ni
me share kakra
from the whole way no ene nipa na asem na o ka kire wo no
boys na mbo mo modern boys
oji nipa na asem ni di from our personal
na me say omo nhwehwem nibo 4-0 no there is more to it
there's more to 4-0 na
more to the 4
media ma share Kotoko no
yes omo nhwehwem ombetimi ahwehwem no bia ho so ombetimi ahwehwem no ma say bia dey no boys na ekọ no na bia ebibu afu
ba wo de so mo hwem
on say omo nhwehwem the case omo nhwehwem interest obi akwagiska but e obi wo hokra na that day okọ no why na anyu so okọbọ ne basa na mo bu afu no mo atwa ne contract mu wanya de obi wo ba bi no akosan ne we nyina enioma wo trans na ahwehwem a ene be piepie but as a matter of fact if Kotoko lose 4-0 to Mediama there should be investigations. As I say, a tenase, ka players na ko ye nyina ye furu bia betena dem. Ye bisa no, den na see ye. Obia den na see ye. Ye nja ne trant wo sa. Supporters in Penifo amwo Western Regional, omusia players no, ese mo ni omokasa. Tibo mamento aso.
Ko ni mai se Obed nti Obed say Asante Kotoko management game a course between Kotoko and the media mano. Muhim yanko yenim.
Teacher phobia, they don't seem to be happy. I'm saying meaning about for you to teacher for example. So say tell your colleague not to disrespect teachers.
I say media makama you or say
how is that a disrespect?
We are salary was it count salary also general. I
say we ama kai ma say mi o but the young ko yenim ajeni
Efe no woman nhyɛ dan serious ah.
Ghana Football Association.
No. And ebi akotoko na mpanifo na duru bebi omo continue omo mfa ne omo mfa omo ho sa. Omo maye Amos Frimpong video no. Omo maye video no ne ehwe ade jibo. Visa de to this here. Then Amos Frimpong then Akamara
Visa bomodi ana pe video.
As compared to the Hussein Mohammed here.
Okay.
Amos way.
Then Kamara.
Referee na eko no. Referee na eko. Referee Amos na share we know odi police ni bi na chi no na.
Ase Amos na na yo no.
Enti then see.
Ese bi BBC e nya se.
Then see. Then see. On the dia chi no he. Enti then see.
So almost say time referee ma Zakaria Fuseni o man the second yellow card no. Kamara kushim card ni free referee nsem. The
issue near say Bobo na Kamara approach referee. He prince usukura na she white na ono gira ho no. Oh he. On na you go ono on the police for na chi no. Actually ko no na he be Amos from point.
I think picture Emma the clear.
Omo my clear one. One say they just omo te one omo nim de omo ye. Ye Hussein Mohammed was so referee atade. And I make us say na asem na ba. Yes, you a first time offender. You man 3 matches. One will be 10 matches. 10 matches no. Video here, you know, share the poster. She fresh so how ben now he must from poster. From a sort of man say, it's time man or to che and or to che referee park in the so park in the so nothing happened.
Eh, most from Pondiano.
It must be in America. Yes, I'm on 10 matches.
It is also.
And only Chroma and the infant to see ABB. That is what they are doing. If Amos Frimpong was around and was working actively, it was someone in the court Germany. I'm winning Zulu when you Chroma and the infant betum 10 matches. Bina, the infant example.
What about the 40,000 Kotoko supposed to pay? Old 400 million.
Say no one try appealing quite. So Betanama could try 20,000 for this year. Because we've seen cases in this country. And you ask yourself questions, say they see. You see, sometimes they should give us evidence. This is the video I pop it up. From a Suho Benina and issue near Banina. I had a good woman to Kamara red card, a deserving red card.
Okay, so this was the charge against Kamara ne Amos. Almost say it's alleged that Mohammed Kamara confronted and assaulted the referee using insulting and abusive language and gestures after the match. Whilst Amos Frimpong forcefully seized a red card from the referee and interfered with the referee's authority.
Video da Amos. Video in corner. Almost some farm the umbrella.
Say be a referee trouble report. There's a referee report in Yakwa no.
Amos from Panja red card. Well, you red card be and free referee. Woman she tro. Kamara no omunim say akwa no Kotoko for no kromo man and that ball. Ye man 4 matches.
Oh, no, no more Kotoko.
Some man 4 matches on debut. Amos report or Germany on the boy cross when you be young man. Watch the video. Show video ni. From this video, see what is happening. Eti hanu ade red card enti obi jibo obi hiti kwaje red card free referee sa obe na ntenant say. Share the space between park and any baby a police for no one. Let's apply. Ye ni hobi. Ye apply ye nyoma na ha de. Your bufu I who nipem. Kamara in this video you can still see say and meme kuta Kamara. In this video we say must from pon na nam ne baby. O dey hide na Amos no way. On na number kire obokore on na hye no. O hye baby on na ni kra kire. Ah do go record no way. I see sometimes some of these verdicts in a bar. You just have to ignore it. So what you say? Shall go for my heat to her, for heat to a park. I see the 10 matches about. sometimes we only krom ha nkosi hwee na yɛde abatum sika no mu pa mu ntua sika no pɛkura ma mu ntua yɛbɛyɛ receipt bi ato so na asɛm no to atwa let's go Jackie.
Last one.
Jackie nkosi
Just a minute. You wanna.
Jibo
Bayan can say blaster.